Hello students, are you ready?
Yes, we are!
Today we learn wild animal.
Wild animal!
Let's sing and learn together. Roar, roar. Let's go! What's that animal big and striped?
Tiger, tiger!
In Nepali, bog, bog.
Roar!
What's that animal big with a long nose?
Elephant, elephant!
In Nepali, hathi, hathi.
Trumpet!
What's that animal has a big horn?
Rhinoceros, rhinoceros!
In Nepali, gainda, gainda.
Snort!
What's that animal? King of the jungle.
Lion, lion!
In Nepali, singha, singha.
Roar!
What's that animal? Fast and spotted.
Leopard, leopard!
In Nepali, chitua, chitua. Wild animals in the jungle, in the wild. Sangay gao, sangay sikao. Learn and sing like a wild child.
Roar, roar, roar!
What's that animal big and fluffy?
Bear, bear!
In Nepali, palu, palu.
Roar!
What's that animal jumps on trees?
Monkey, monkey!
In Nepali, bandar, bandar.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah!
What's that animal runs so fast?
Deer, deer!
In Nepali,
Brig, brig!
what's that animal sneaky and clever?
Fox, fox!
In Nepali, shal, shal.
Yip, yip, yip!
What's that animal howls at the moon?
Wolf, wolf!
In Nepali, buaso, buaso. Wild animals in the jungle, in the wild. Sangay gao, sangay sikao. Learn and sing like a wild child.
Roar, roar, roar!
What's that animal long and slithery?
Snake, snake!
In Nepali,
Sarp, sarpa!
hiss. What's that animal big teeth in water?
Crocodile, crocodile!
In Nepali, gohi, gohi.
Snap, snap, burn!
What's that animal black and white stripes?
Zebra, zebra!
In Nepali, zebra, zebra. What's that animal super tall neck? Giraffe, giraffe. In Nepali, giraffe, giraffe. What's that animal big and loves mud? Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. In Nepali, hippopotamus.
Splash, splash!
Wild animals in the jungle, in the wild. Sangay gao, sangay sikao. Learn and sing like a wild child.
Roar, roar, roar!
What's that animal jumps so high?
Kangaroo, kangaroo!
In Nepali, kangaroo, kangaroo.
Boing, boing, boing!
What's that animal red and fluffy? Red panda, red panda. In Nepali,
Red panda, red panda! Squawk, squawk, bah!
what's that animal sneaky in the night?
Jackal, jackal!
In Nepali, shal, shal.
Yo, yo!
What's that animal has sharp tusks?
Wild boar, wild boar!
In Nepali, jangale sungura, jangale sungura.
Oink, oink, oink!
What's that animal has sharp spikes? Porcupine, porcupine. In Nepali, dumsi, dumsi.
Rattle!
Wild animals in the jungle, in the wild. Sangay gao, sangay sikao. Learn and sing like a wild child.
Roar, roar, roar!
Well done, students. Amazing. You learned all 20 wild animals and all their sounds too. I am so proud of you all. Thank you, teacher. See you next time. Bright Kids World.